Welcome back to Jason's Design Shop, where today we're going to make a handle out of some cherry wood for a fireplace waffle maker. Stay tuned. Next project, check this out. A cool Puritan old-fashioned waffle maker that goes over the fireplace. Set it on there and you can put it in your fire, cook your waffles. Well, the problem is, the friend that gave it to me said there's no handle, you need to use your wood shop to make a handle. I said I can do that. So I found the right size dowel. It's about that size. We'll need to, but we're going to make some custom ones. These pins were in here. It took me about 15 minutes to get both of these out because I had to peel back a little ridge, but not lose it because I need to be able to push it back out to hold it in there. So we'll put the dowel in, mark it, drill it, pound these through it. But instead of that, I don't have more of this. I want to use some hardwood. I got so much cherry wood. Let's use this. So we'll cut this out, make 2 blanks. Okay, we can see it's a lot smaller. That's going to fit nicely in there, but we're going to have to shrink this because we know this is the size we want. Come back here. That's the size we want. So we are a little big, huh? Which makes it more comfortable to hold, and we'll just shrink it right where it goes in. So we're going to mark it there. Needs to go in about that far. Right there. So we'll mark it all the way around there. Here we go. Okay, I'm not a master with the hand tools, but we're going to see if my idea of dimpling all the way around and then carving up this way, it should splinter all the way up and break off. So that's the plan. Hopefully the grain of it works out that way. Sorry if that shakes the camera. The scary part, the biggest one here. It did chip in. I feel like I should put on the vice grips. It's going to hold it better. Ooh, that's a big bite. Right to the line. I like that. Okay, let's put on the vice grip and do it. Let's see. Look at that. Oh, so close. Tells us where it's hitting. Tells us what to sand. Take a look. Ooh, look at that. It is right to there. That would work. Cool. I get it out. Tells me how much it's grabbing, pinching on all the sides. There, there, and there. I like it. Then we pound it in tight, wedge it in there. Alright, here's the pin. Here's the screw. It looks like it's a little bit, maybe one size too small. I do want it to pinch a little bit. I don't have the next size here. It's broke. So we'll start with this and we can pound it through. That'd be great. Make it nice and tight. Now there's a hole on the other side, so we do need it to go all the way through. We might do half this way and half that way. Here we go. Hey, I pounded it hard, got it in, and in pounding it hard, for some reason, it broke it off. Nice hardwood. Unbelievable. Now I gotta pound the pin out of there in reverse. Good grief. Got it out a little bit, maybe with a nail. Just need to get the wood out. Maybe. Got it. Man, how sad that that broke so easily. Maybe I put a lot of pressure on it, didn't know it. Brought it down to the circle, brought it down right to our line, and sloped it out instead of a sudden angle. Hope that helps. Alright, as we know, the first one broke. That sucked. So I have the other one. This time I tried to slope it down into to go in rather than make a corner, which is where it broke. So, and we used the sander there. That made it a lot faster. There's a little more wiggle there. Pounded in good. There we go. I think that's solid. Feels good. Doesn't want to break easy. Okay. One hit with the trusty hammer. Lock it in. Alright, let's put the pin through the drill first. And hopefully we can line it up better than last time. Much nicer than the last one. Alright. Now this time we want to support it with a piece of old wood here. Gosh. So we can't torque that and break it. It's probably what I did last time. Nice. We're all the way in. And we got to push that flange out by holding that down, maybe the round ball point. There we go. I don't think that's going anywhere. All right. Now, let's do this one. Alright, I'm ready to put this on. I rounded that end, and this is ready to go on. I never rounded this end. And then I want to stain it before I put them on. And this one's already on. Well, too bad. There we go. That's not so sharp. Okay, let's put some stain on it. So while you're cooking, gotta leave it in there. Puritan, number 8. Alright. Leave it there. And when it's awesome, can't wait to give this thing a try. See if I can flip it over. Doesn't seem to matter which one is on top. Yeah, falls apart when you lift it. Great. Next, maybe next time we'll change this, make a new handle here. This handle's pretty good. I think I'll end up actually just sanding it down and refinishing it. It looks pretty ugly. And polishing this all up shiny again from all the tarnish there and paint and whatever. And that'll make a nice handle there. So fix the handle. That's a project you could do. Hope you enjoyed this one. Stay tuned for the next one. Matter of fact, I think we can clean this up so quick. Let's make this a 2-for-1 deal and do this right now. Wow, that wasn't easy. The metal was a hard part, but look, so much better. It shows some of its history. My dad had this hammer for many years, working on cars and things like that in his shop. But the handle came out beautiful. Let's put some stain on this and see what we get. All right, this is actually a golden pecan, so pretty light. For the oak, I think that would look better. Show some of the grain. If we cover it all up with dark, oh yeah, that's what we want. The dark stain will cover up a light wood and you won't see any grain or anything. This lets us know that this is made of oak. And we're going to be able to see some of the dings still went through there. I was able to get right up close to there. Oh yeah. Let's do the end grain here. Push it out there. Alright, that soak in a little bit, puff it off, out the excess, ready to go, boom boom, look at that, beautiful, restored little hammer. Let's go. Next.